During our quick trip to London in December, we were fortunate enough to spend a few hours visiting the historic Borough Market.
Today we've taken the train from our hotel to London Bridge, and we are over at the Borough Market. Now the Borough Market is supposed to have some Christmas items and technically be a Christmas market. I'm not sure how much we're going to get as far as Christmas market, but it will have some great food for Christmas, English style, and this particular market is 1,000 years old. Yes, 1,000. So it's got some amazing items in it. There's 100 stalls here, and it's definitely a sight to see. So let's go check it out.
Aside from just how amazing it is to visit a market that's 1,000 years old, this market is unique because you'll find not only British items, but international ones as well. Additionally, the market requires supply chains to be short and transparent with their customers, as well as they are active in sharing the stories behind their traders' produce. And that's why the market provides a hub for a mutually supportive community of traders, producers, shoppers, cooks, residents, and visitors like us. So as much as the market's appeal still feels as though you're walking through the times of the character Sherlock Holmes, the Borough Market promises that their focus is to never stop evolving, and that they very much focus on the here and now. But once upon a time, the Borough Market began with a bridge. And that bridge was London Bridge, the link between London and its southern neighbor Southwark, the only route into the city of London from anywhere south of the river. The road as we know now as Borough High Street was the vital artery joining London to the ports and towns of the south. And it acted like a magnet for people wishing to sell things to travelers, especially in the 1100s. By 1270, the City of London banned its citizens from buying food in Southwark and prevented the market's traders from setting up on the bridge itself due to its massive congestion and tax and legal logistics with the Crown. In 1550, the City of London, which had fought for control over the market for centuries, took over the market and extended trading from 2 days to 4 days. But in 1754, a bill went before Parliament declaring that as the market obstructs much trade and commerce, it would have to cease trading by the 25th of March, 1756. At the same time, the residents of Southwark were petitioning to be allowed to start a new market independent of the city, away from the high street. Founded by local parishioners, the market was relocated off of the high street to where it stands today. And in 1862, with the coming of the railways, a railway viaduct sliced through the market. But with the growth of the railways, the Borough Market became a major fruit and vegetable wholesale hub. In the year 1906, the market's constitution was changed, placing its management in the hands of 21 voluntary trustees, drawn from the local community. Today, the Borough Market is a charity and still run by a board of volunteer trustees who are committed to equality and diversity. In the late 1920s, when the market set about to revive the annual Borough Market sports event following being stunted with the outbreak of World War I, an unexpected response was received in June of 1930, when Charlie Chaplin, whose impoverished childhood had been spent on the streets of Southwark, had enclosed a check for £20. With his endorsement, the sports day became one of national interest and included a Charlie Chaplin lookalike competition. Chaplin himself kept a close eye on the event, sending signed photographs to the winners and donating money for extravagant prizes.
Once a year, the Borough Market porters get a rush of baskets to the head when they decide who can carry the most the quickest. 12 baskets on 2 feet. Come on now, put some pep into it. By the way, did you know that the prize for this famous race was presented by Charlie Chaplin? And it's a better test than walking a chalk line. toughest men in town are having fun. Or if you want to put it in polite language, it's the Borough Market Sports. Come on, boys, snap into it. 5 baskets and 1 man on a bicycle. You can carry them any way you like, but it's important to look where you're going. 1 man does, and he's the winner. Well, perhaps we'd better start again.
In the 1950s, after the war, Borough remained the heart of the fruit and vegetable trade until the growth of supermarkets in the 1980s and 1990s put the future of the market in doubt. But in 1998, an important step in the evolution of the Borough Market happened by the success of the 3-day Food Lovers Fair. Thanks to this event, the Borough Market reinvented itself as a retail market for high-quality food, offering produce from around Europe and the world. And then finally, in 2021, due to customer high demand for more opportunities for customers to do regular food shopping, Borough Market extends its trading hours into Sundays. So as you can see, with an emphasis on high-quality food, sustainable production, and social connection, there is no wonder why the market has remained such a popular one. Okay, let's get to the food.
Okay, so I just picked up a mince pie. It was £2, 80 pence. I've never had one before of all the times I've been in London, and it's traditional, so I needed to taste it. It's full of all types of different fruits. So it was good.
Are you gonna verify wonder?
It's really good, actually. And give it a taste.
The English make some of the most exceptional pies from sweet to savory, and you'll find them all over the market. Additionally, you'll still find that they're known for their stunning fruits and vegetables, as well as meats and fish. There are endless bakery choices and international cheeses, olive oils and truffle goods, as well as international hot and cold selections for home takeaway or to enjoy right there in the market. Additionally, the market is committed to the principles of the Modern Slavery Act 2015 and the abolition of modern slavery and human trafficking. An equal opportunities employer committed to creating and ensuring a non-discriminatory and respectful working environment for their staff. No wonder everyone is all smiles and proud to be a part of such an exemplary market.
Found Manny. So literally lost him for a good 10 minutes because I've just been wandering around this market. So overwhelming. There's again 100 stalls and everything for food to make at home to hot food and lunch for today. But wow, so much food to choose from. Okay, so we got a sausage roll. You can see the sausage in the middle, traditional English, a proper pint of cider, and we also picked up some paella.
You can bring your food to the pub next door to eat, just as long as you purchase a drink.
Good. Right behind you. Get a mussel.
So as you can see, the Borough Market in London is not to be missed. I'll leave their website in the description so you can also check out their blogs, podcasts, and recipes. See you next time.